Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 14T Pro, and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode, so all we have to do is to open the settings. Let's scroll your finger from the top to the center, or just tap on this arrow, it's up to you. And now let's tap on this timer option. Here in this device we've got 4 different options from which we can choose, so off, 3, 5 and 10 seconds delay. Let me choose 10 seconds delay. Just tap on the option you'd like to use, it will be immediately applied. You can see that this icon changed, and all we have to do is to tap on the shutter button. What is more, it's nice because here we've got it highlighted that we've got the timer set, so we can always quickly check it. Let's tap on the shutter button, and from now on your device will count down from 10, 5 or 3, depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Alright, so this is how it works. You can quickly turn off the timer just by tapping on this icon. However, you can of course turn it off using this icon. It was set at 10, so just tap on this crossed out icon, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.